Hey, what's up everybody? Let's learn something new. Today we're going to be creating a rectangle in Adobe Photoshop. So grab that coffee and let's jump right in. As you can see, I have this beautiful picture of some autumn trees. What we're going to be doing is clicking over here in the layer panel, and we're going to click the plus button. That'll create ourselves a new layer. We then go on the left here, go to the tools, and look for the rectangular marquee tool. Make sure that it isn't hidden. It could look like this, so find it. It's usually near the top. If you click and hold, you can then make it a rectangle. We're going to click right off the artboard like so, and drag. This will make it so that it goes to the bounding areas of our artboard. Once we release, we'll then have this context menu come up. We're going to click on this and go to fill color, right like so. We can then choose whatever color we want. Let's go with blue this time. Click OK. And we have ourselves a rectangle that we can do anything we want with. It's create a layer. The rectangle's here. You can move it around, adjust it, do anything you want with it. But have a little bit of fun. If we go up here to our blending modes and we slide on down to color, and then we take our opacity and put it somewhere near 50%, it'll actually create this cool rectangular overlay, which you'll see gives it like an appearance like on the beginning of a textbook or something like that. We can also have some more fun by adding more rectangles if we want. So if we click on this again, if we go to select, deselect, and then draw a new rectangle, we could, for example, create a horizontal one like so. Go to that fill color, and then choose a different color, maybe green this time. Click OK, and it'll apply the same effects onto it, so it'll create a different one. So now we have this fun sort of design that looks really professional, but also is very easy to create. And that is how you create a rectangle in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I try to make videos on all the Adobe products. If you have any questions or comments, throw them in the comment section below. And if you like this stock footage, take a look at the link in the description below, Envato Elements. It's a subscription where you pay a monthly fee and you get an unlimited amount of stock videos and footage and photos and templates. It's really cool, so check that out. Thanks everyone. Until next time, see ya.